Good day everyone and welcome to the Mommy McCracken Crafting channel. I'm so happy you're here. As usual, I'm going to jump right in. We start the foundation of this project off with a Dollar Tree pinwheel, a Dollar Tree planter, and I got the basket at Hobby Lobby after Easter for 90% off at less than $2. I'm taking my soldering iron and only heating the hole large enough to securely fit the pinwheel through. I line the bottom of the basket with 2 grocery bags to not only protect the basket itself, but to easily remove the stones that I put in later. Be sure to use a sturdy planter to protect the roots of the plant or flowers that you choose to put in. One of my begonia planters was a little too short, so I've had to lift it up using some of the stones that I had available. Before you make it all the way to the top of the basket with those stones, tuck in around the edges of your grocery bags to remove any unsightly plastic. Then, keep placing stones periodically around at your discretion. Once your planter is ready to be installed, secure the pinwheel in between the stones that you placed in the bottom of the basket. The last thing to do is to add these stones that I found at the garden tree. The Dollar Tree in the garden section. Add on any of those last finishing touches and then play around with where you want to have her, whether that's in the garden, on the porch, under a tree. Give her a little shade and a lot of sunshine, a little watering and a lot of love. Friends, if you all have made it through this video, I urge you to please like, share, and subscribe. It's the only way that YouTube is even going to know that we exist in the algorithm. I am way too busy to upload consistently, so I promise I won't bombard your notification feed. Thank you so much for your support. Have a blessed, beautiful, and craft-filled life.